Biology, and I'm Rajesh, MSc Zoology. So today our topic is 2015 previous NEET examination questions completely from the first year topics, NCERT first year biology topics. In this video we are going to discuss. Before that, let me check is our session is started or not and is our voice is clear or not first. Okay. So yes, the session is just started now, and let me check if my voice is clear or not first. Yes, the session is just started. The voice is also clear. So without any late, let's dive into the session. There is total question numbers are 42. From the 2015 first year topic questions are selected from the both botany and zoology. That is 42. The best questions what I feel they are only selected for this quiz. Yes. The first most important question from the 2015, which one is a wrong statement? Here there is a four options are there. You have to read. Once it reaches this zero, at the this is a timer. For every question there is 30 seconds time. Okay, which one is a wrong statement? Haploid endosperm is typical feature of the gymnosperms. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin, and archegonia are found in bryophyta, pteridophyta, and gymnosperms. Mucor has biflagellate juice spores. Mucor don't has this biflagellate juice spores. Question number 2, the imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling belong to. Option I have to say before it reaches the 0 second. There is 30 seconds time. Still you have 10 seconds. Phycomycetes, ascomycetes, deuteromycetes, and basidiomycetes. Option C is correct. Question number 3. The structure that help some bacteria, the structures that help some bacteria to attach to the rocks or host tissue are. What are the structures? You have 15 seconds time. They are mesosomes, holdfast, rhizoids, and fimbriae. The right answer is fimbriae. Select the wrong statement. There is four options. The term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bygenic, or mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by the viruses. Yes, Krupa Samuel is said D right, but for which question? Question number 3 or question number 1 or question number 2 or now the question number 4? Krupa Samuel try to mention the question number, otherwise I can't say whether you are right or wrong. And click on your screen, right side of your screen for 4 to 5 times, then you will reach the present question. Here the question number 5. Yes, very good. Come to the question number 5, Krupa Samuel. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? Yes, okay. Fifth question. The right answer is the right answer is C. The sixth question. Pick up the wrong statement. Some fungi are edible. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Do one thing, decrease your volume, then you will avoid from this headache. After completion of this, I'll give one signal here to increase your volume. To that, you can read the questions from the screen and you can answer that questions. The right answer is B. Choose the wrong statement. Morphs And truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Yeast and unicellular are useful. I think it is a waste of my voice also if I read this. You can simply watch the question and answer it before it reaches the zero. The right answer is A. Cell wall is absent in. It is very important question. Mycoplasma. Body having meshwork of cells. Internal cavities lined with food filtering flagellated cells. Indirect development are the characteristics phylum. Metagenesis refers to. All these are zoology questions. Easy and important questions. Easy question it is also from the first year. Axial placentation. Axial placentation means what? What is placentation means? Placentation means the arrangement of the ovules. The arrangement of the ovules is called placentation. And axial placentation means the ovules are arranged in this manner. So this we can observe in which? We can observe the axial placentation in the lemon. Roots play insignificant role in absorption of water in. Dantas, Krupa Samuel, thank you so much for your responses. But please mention the question number along with the option. Then I'll know in which question you are there. And click on your screen, right side of your screen for a few times. Then you will reach the current question. 15th question we are completing. The question, the right answer is Pistia. 16th question. It is very important question. Repeated question it is. 16th question. We have to arrange the different parts of the wood in one inner side to outside or outside to inside. In this question, they ask for outer side to inner side. Woody dicot stem. First one is phylum. The body cells in a cockroach discharge their nitrogenous waste in the hemolymph, mainly in the form of. And 1st February, in the 1st February in our Rajesh Biology app, a new test series is going to start. The new test series for every week, one grand test. Grand test means not only the biology. Grand test means physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. 4 subjects. Total questions 200. Practice test I'm going to launch. Okay, so download the Rajesh Biology app to get the regular and new updates. And for every week 200 questions, for every week 200 questions I'm going to post for our practice for the NEET examination. 200 questions, in these 200 questions, physics 50, chemistry 50, botany 50, and zoology 50. In every 50 there is two sections, section A and section B. In section A there is 35, in section B there is 15 questions are there. That means from every subject there is extra 20 questions are there. There is extra 20 questions are there. So 20 into 40. So 20 into 4, 80. Okay, 720 plus 80. Total marks is 800. For 800, how many marks you will get? That will decides for our next NEET score. Okay, so from the February 1st, for every week, one grand test, one practice mock test with 200 questions. For every subject, there is two sections. Total 200 questions. This is what I'm going to plan for the students, for the NEET aspirants. Okay. Very good. 18th D, right? Now the 20th question. Which of the following structures is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Total question numbers are 40. 42 questions are there. The best questions. Okay. Kropa Samuel, you are just one question back. I'll wait. Try to reach the 20th question. Click on your right screen, right side of your screen for few times. Then you will reach the question number 20. Which of the following structures is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Okay, that is prokaryotic cell. There is no nuclear envelope. Yeah, Manha vlogs. Yeah, good evening, Manha. How are you? Yes, I'm good. C29. It is question number 20. Yes, very good. Krupa Samuel. Answer C. Very good, Manha. 21st question. Try to call your friends also for this live session. If the members are increased, then the competitive spirit will increase in you, and it is very healthy competition. 21st question number. Cellular organelles with membranes are. It is also very important and easy question. Very, very important. It is a Viva question. Question number 21. Cellular organelles with a membrane. Question number. Lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria. Question number 22. Yes, very good, Professor Samuel. Mitochondria and Golgi apparatus, lysosomes. Question number 22. Salima. Okay, Salima madam. Good evening, ma'am. How are you? From 1st February, we are going to restart the batch 2, ma'am. In that, I'm going to take this human physiology from the first year and evolution from the second year. Question number 22, the right answer is ribosomes. It's not a membrane bound. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropods is formed by the polymerization of. Very important question. This question covers three things. One is kingdom Animalia, that means sexual organization, cockroach. And another one is kingdom Animalia, arthropoda. And the main thing is the direct question is from biomolecules. Question number 23. It is the polymerization of N-acetyl glucosamine. 23. Probability is the question option A. Next, which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Phosphodiester bond, it is also a direct question from the biomolecules. And phosphodiester bond we can observe in what? Phosphodiester bond we can observe in DNA structure. DNA structure means between the DNA and RNA, between the nucleic acids in a nucleotide. Okay, two nucleotides are there. Here one phosphate bond. Here another ester bond. Between two nitrogen bases, between two pentose sugars, there is a phosphate. It forms a phosphodiester bond like this. Yes, very good. 25th, root pressure develops due to. Try to give a single like button for this session. That is sufficient for me. Root pressure develops due to. 25th question. Root pressure is actually develops because of the active absorption. 26th. A column of water within xylem vessels. Vessels of tall trees does not break under its weight because of. A column of water within the xylem vessels of tall trees does not break under its weight because of. Tensile strength of the water. 27th question. The oxygen evolved during photosynthesis comes from water molecules. Which one of the following pairs of elements is involved in this reaction? The manganese and the chlorine. 28th question. Yes, 27 is actually the C, manganese and chlorine. 28th question. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning is prevented by the 28th question. Prevented by the. It is prevented by the leg hemoglobin. In photosynthesis, the light independent reactions takes place at. In photosynthesis, the light independent reactions takes place at. In photosynthesis, the light independent reactions takes place at. Very easy question. The light independent reactions takes place at stromal matrix. Chromatophores take part in. Chromatophores take part in. Chromatophores take part in photosynthesis. Chromatophores takes part in photosynthesis. Next, 31. Question number 31. Auxin can be bioassessed by. Yes, Krupa Samuel said what? This photosynthesis very good. Auxin can be bioassessed by. Oxygen can be bioassessed by. And for tomorrow, we'll take one class NCRT reading. For this, the right answer is Avena coleptile curvature. 32 question number. Tomorrow, 31st evening, we already have one course in our Rajesh Biology app, that is a human reproduction and reproductive health. Together there is a course. From that course, NCRT reading session will be conducted for tomorrow. In that, we are going to discuss about the oogenesis process, sperm cell structure, if possible the menstrual cycle also. Okay, that is for tomorrow's plan. Okay, question number 32, the right answer is premolars. The primary dentation in human differs from the permanent dentation in not having one of the following type of teeth. 2123 by 2123 is the adult dental formula. 2102 by 2102 is the child dental formula. So this is the premolars. Okay. Now, where we are in the next question. Yes, very good, Krupa Samuel. 2102 by 2102. 32D, correct. 33. Name the pulmonary disease in which alveolar surface or area involved in gas exchange is drastically reduced. Alveolar space is drastically reduced. Damage in the alveolar walls. Alveolar walls are damaged. Four things you have to remember. Because of the smoking, cancer may come, may not come. But because of the smoking, definitely emphysema will come. Emphysema is completely related to the tobacco smoking. In this condition, the alveolar walls are destroyed and the exchange space is going to reduce. The lung size is remain same, but alveolar walls are damaged. Okay, collapsed. So very good, Krupa Samuel. This is not asthma, this is emphysema. Next, 34. Which one of the following animals has two separate circulatory pathways? Yes, alveoli number also decreased by the collapsing of the walls. Alveoli number decreases by collapsing the walls. And the lung size is remains same. 34th question. Very important and easy question it is. 34th question. Whale. Whale is a mammal. So it has the four chambered heart and double circulation. The remaining shark has the single circulation, frog has incomplete, and lizard is also incomplete. Very good, Professor Samuel. Option A. 35th question. Doctors use a stethoscope to hear the sounds produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when second sound is heard. Based on the sounds, the questions are very important. And another one thing, in our channel, in our Rajesh Biology app, I provided very important material NCRT extract PDF material what I find from the another source what I was have NCRT extract book PDF for the all three subjects physics, chemistry and biology from the Disha publications I think it is. I was posted in our app. So we can read the information from that and I was posted some mock test also along with the key and explanations. 10 mock tests is also I was posted. You can find these 10 mock tests. Every mock test contains 200 questions along with the solutions. Four subjects, 10 mock tests and NCRT extract material in our Rajesh Biology app in the study material folder. Okay. Question number 36. The right answer is B. Human urine is usually acidic because hydrogen ions. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Skeletal system function. It never helps in the production of the body heat. Body heat is completely controlled by the blood. 38. Question number 38. Which of the following joints would allow no movements? There is no movements. It is also very important question from the locomotion chapter. Which joint never allows any movements? Synovial joint, ball and socket joint, cartilaginous joint. Ball and socket joint is also a type of synovial joint. Okay, so these two are wrong. Fibrous joint, which never allows any movement. 39th question. Destruction of the anterior horn cells of the spinal cord would result in loss of, spinal cord is look like this. These are called anterior horns. It is called posterior horn. Destruction of the anterior horn cells. If this destruction takes place, if we destroy the anterior horn cells, what will happen? This information is received by this and from this the information goes out in this manner. Reflex arc. In reflex arc, what happened? The signals received by this ventral or this what posterior horns, and the motor signals goes out through the anterior horn. So voluntary motor impulses are destroyed. Loss of voluntary motor impulses. Question number 40. In mammalian eye, the fovea is the center of visual field where it is very important. From 1st February, for every week, there is 200 questions with 4 subjects. Every subject has 50 questions, and every 50 is again divided into section A and section B. Total exam is for 800 marks. The total time is for 3 hours 30 minutes. I'm going to provide for the first exam, that is 3 hours 30 minutes. But actually 3 hours is also more than enough, because you have to click only, not to bubble. So from the next day time, I'm going to give you 3 hours time only. But for the first time, on the February 1st, you are going to attempt 2022 NEET examination paper. Okay, try to solve that. If you have that paper previously, if you get that, practice that, and give the right answer, get the high score. Okay, question number 40. High density of cones occur but has no rods. Question number 41. Which one of the following hormone is not involved in sugar metabolism? 1st February. Which one of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? Aldosterone. Which one of the following hormones though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? It is hypothalamus, pituitary gland it is. Adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis. Here there is a portal vein. Okay, and here there is a neurons, nerve cells endings. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? Here they are synthesized and they are stored in the posterior pituitary, and it releases. It releases only two types of hormones, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. It's also called ADH. So the right answer is antidiuretic hormone ADH. So these are the questions for today, and a few things I would like to share with you. Rajesh Biology app is there in Play Store. Try to download that. In that, so much of material is provided for free. You can read from that. You can download that. Okay, you can practice that questions, which are very important for the NEET preparation and MSET also. Okay, that is first thing. And second thing, some paid courses are also there. If you want that, if you don't have such money also, if you send me a message, I'll give you some concession also. Okay, that is the second point. And third point, tomorrow in our Rajesh Biology YouTube channel, I'm going to conduct a NCERT reading session on human reproduction. The interested students can attend and can observe the important points from that. Once it is completed within 24 hours, that is removed from the YouTube and it is placed in the this app, because that is a prime content. Okay, that is the third thing. And another one, 1st February, I'm going to release an exam, that is all the questions from the 2022 NEET examination. 200 questions I'm going to give you, along with the explanation for some questions also. So try to join in that test series. Every week 200 questions practice session I'm going to provide you with very less cost. and I'm going to conduct some cashback prizes also in that. Okay, 1st February I'm going to plan that. I'll reveal that surprise tomorrow. Okay, so don't forget to attend tomorrow's NCRT reading session from the human reproduction to know the surprise of the 1st February examination. Okay, so this is about today's session. Thank you so much, my dear future doctors, for attending and make this session successful. Thank you. Have a nice day.